Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 Microsoft Edge not opening and responding. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that right click and go to your task manager, and if in the process if the task Microsoft Edge is running, then select the Microsoft Edge and end task. So I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can go to your second method and open a Microsoft Edge. Open Microsoft Edge, and after doing this that, click on these three dots and go to your extensions. Click on get extension for Microsoft Edge. Okay guys, if any extensions installs, then after that remove one by one. So in my case it's not any extension installs. So after removing the all extensions, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your open up Microsoft Edge, select it, go to your help and feedback, and after doing this that, go to your about Microsoft Edge, and after doing this time make sure that your Microsoft Edge is up to date. So close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that open a Microsoft Edge, and after doing this select the three dots and go to your settings. After go to your settings, go to your privacy, search and services, and after that choose what to do clear. Select it and select all time and select all these options and click on clear now. Clear the all browser data history, and after that close it, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.